Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to an unboxing that always brings me joy. I have here my April 2023 The Balanced Snack Box from the Balanced Company, and I have now shared this unboxing many times here on my YouTube channel, and I am just obsessed with the Balanced Company and all of their subscription boxes. It's a woman-owned company that has all sorts of subscription boxes that cater to a balanced lifestyle. They've got the snack box here, lifestyle boxes, so many incredible subscriptions. I am a fan of every single box I've ever received from the Balanced Company. And I do like to give a disclaimer that these are sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. So like I said, this is the monthly snack box. So you get so many snacks in this box delivered right to your door every month for an incredible value. Plus, I have a 20% off discount code. It's Christy20 that will get you 20% off your first box. And I cannot wait any longer. Let's go ahead and see what's in my box this month. It feels very full, heavy, and I just know there are some amazing goodies in here. Yay! Oh my gosh, yes, the product right on top catches my eye immediately, and I'm so excited about it. So this is from the brand Barbara's, I believe. And I love that I get to try out brands that I'm not familiar with through this box. And it's always different, always changing up. Like these here, baked cheese puffs made with real cheddar and blue cheese. Oh my gosh, I'm already drooling. These sound amazing. I've never gotten these in my box before, and I am so excited to try these. Plus, look, full size, huge bag of cheese puffs right here. So excited about my first product already. Next, another big bag here. This is from the brand Green Sun. Dark chocolate covered golden berries. Do I know what a golden berry is? No. Am I excited to try it? Yes. Ooh, and these are vegan, gluten-free. So I love that I get to try out completely new foods that I'm not familiar with as well. So this is an exciting product here. Ooh, I actually got another Green Sun product here, which I am not familiar with this brand. These are dark chocolate covered coconut. Oh my gosh, I love coconut. I can't wait to try these out. And see already, it's a great mix of sweet and savory. Whatever your snack desires are, I'm sure they're in this box here. Oh my gosh. Yes. Next is the Barney's almond butter. I just said that so funny. Almond butter. Smooth kind. And I'm so excited about this. I think I got... must have been the Barney's almond butter in like the little individual squeezy packs before. This here, the full-size jar, I am so excited about because those little squeezy packs were incredible. And I have a peanut allergy, but this, the Barney butter, is made in a peanut-free facility, so I love this brand. Not only is it delicious, nutritious, but peanut-free just really speaks to my heart. Next, ooh, we got a beverage. This is exciting. Organic natural electrolytes, Juva Fit mango flavor. Not familiar with this. This is also, so many things about this have me so excited, but I don't keep juices on hand. So mostly I have in my house water, coffee. And I feel like I really just like don't treat myself much at the grocery store. I don't often purchase snacks. I don't often purchase fun beverages. So this subscription box is a great way to bring some fun into my pantry, into my refrigerator, into my diet. Like this here, I am so excited to drink this. All right, next I've got, ooh, nothing but cheddar. I am a cheese lover, so I am very excited about this. Just like a crispy cheese snack from the brand Ivanhoe. Not familiar with this brand either. Yay! Oh my gosh. An alternative to one of my favorites and in my favorite flavor. I am so excited. This is from the Good Crisp Company, salt and vinegar flavored potato crisps. Salt and vinegar is my favorite. And I am obsessed with chips, Pringles. I feel like every snack box that I've gotten from the Balanced Company so far has been amazing. But this one is like next level. This might be my favorite box I've ever gotten. And I still have a bunch more products in here to pull out. So next I've got Gluten-Free Nairns, I think is the brand, chocolate oat cookies. Yum. Next, Love Raw vegan cream and wafer bar white chocolate. Okay, this looks absolutely delicious to me. Another brand I'm not familiar with. Wow. And the last product in here is another huge bag. Ooh, I love the packaging on this. No surprise, this is another brand I'm not familiar with. It's La Formi Grand Granola Aphrodisia, dark chocolate, raisins, almonds. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I got granola last month, a different kind, and that sparked my desire to have yogurt and granola. So now I have yogurt on hand and I am so excited to try it with this granola. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm already drooling. I am so hungry now after pulling out all of these incredible snacks here in front of me. I don't even know how these fit in that box. I mean, this is a big box, but I have so many snacks in front of me right now. I am just feeling so grateful and so excited by all of these, clearly. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these snacks before. I would love to hear what you think of them. What are some of your favorites? And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.